So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our EURJPY. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. Those that are yet to subscribe, if you are new, and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that you will not miss out on any single updates. You'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's start with this trend right here on our EURJPY. It is very much simple, right? Before you take a trade, first know your trend, second trade with the trend. So these are the two simple rules of trading. First know your trend, second trade with the trend. Now take a look at this EURJPY. It is very clear and it is very simple. EURJPY is an ranging market. So market literally was able to rally up to tap our resistance. And when it got to the resistance, right, it rejected and dropped to tap our support level. Market eventually dropped to tap our support level. Guess what market did? Market eventually rejected and came back to tap our resistance, right? The market got to the resistance, it rejected and tapped our support level. The market rejected from the support level, then it pushed up, right, to tap the resistance. Now it dropped to tap our support. Now we can see that market has now rejected from the support level and it is now pushing up. So we would expect that push up to continue to tap our resistance zone. So this is the day that in further bullish move for the day, still what we should be expecting on our EURJPY. So EURJPY should be giving us a bullish move for the day. Thereby we should be seeing movements upward. Now, if there will be any changes to this prediction that we just did, guys, I'll make sure I do the update and let you guys know. So if you do not want to miss out on the update, very simple. Click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once you drop on also updates, you don't miss out on any updates. You'll find the link to Telegram in the comment section. Above all, right, a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our EURJPY for the day.